Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the hardware and network ready. Power on the Orbit TV box and confirm your remote responds. This ensures the device can accept settings. You should already know your Wi-Fi SSID and password, and whether you prefer 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Once done, keep the box within good signal range of the router, and make sure no Ethernet cable is connected so the box looks for wireless networks immediately. Now open Settings and navigate to System then Network to begin the connection. You'll select Wi-Fi, let the box scan, and pick your SSID from the list. Choose the correct 4 GHz or 5 GHz entry if both appear. When entering the password, type slowly because case and symbols matter. Use the remote's keyboard or paired phone app if available for faster input. Once you submit credentials, the box will attempt to authenticate and you finish by verifying the connection in Network Info. Look for a valid IP address and strong signal percentage to confirm success. Then launch a streaming app or run the built-in network diagnostic to ensure traffic flows and DNS resolves. If something fails, reboot both the Orbit box and router, re-enter the password, and make sure MAC filtering or parental controls aren't blocking the device. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable router guest/isolation modes. They often prevent TV devices from accessing the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.